A very good morning to all of you. Today I have a new poem which is an extract from your Honeysuckle textbook, and the name of this poem is A House, a Home, which is very beautiful poem written by Lorian M. Haley. And in this poem the author narrates us about the difference between a house and a home, and he described that houses are made up with full of non-living things such as stone, sand, bricks, cement, glass and wood. It is only a building that people can live here, but it does not carry no feelings, emotions and understanding with others. It is totally made from the non-living things. Here, in some important facts of the life which is related from the human being's life and a character is not live here. So it's called just a structure of these types of the cements, bricks and stones. And here is no feelings, here is no emotion and here is no understanding among the family members. So without the family members, the poet explained here, it is only the structure of these types of the aspects. So without feeling, there is a no, you cannot say that this is a house. It's only a home. It's only a house. Without family members, we can't expect to a person that it will be maintain a house and the people will be maintained by a very beautiful, senseful, emotionful type of the building in which the people live together with caring, with support and with love. So, in this poem, A House, a Home summary, a houses are made of bricks and stone and hardwood. It includes a glass, window and various types of the material. So what is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner, then read the poem. So in this poem, writer want to explain about the fact of the house and a home. The poet believed actually in keeping a family together, and he emphasized on the caring and sharing done amongst the family members. A house is normally made up of bricks and many types of the material, but all the facilities entire in the house. But people without the feelings can't stand with together in a home, in an entire atmosphere of the house. So it is never ever be possible without the supportive nature of the family members. So it is a powerful equipment for making any house or a home. What is a house? House कहते किसको हैं? घर क्या होता है? It is a brick and a stone. यह केवल कुछ ईंटों और कुछ पत्थरों से निर्मित एक भवन होता है. And wood that is hard. और कभी-कभी ये घर किसी लकड़ी से भी बना हुआ होता है. Some windows glass and perhaps a yard. इस घर में कुछ विंडोज़ होते हैं, कुछ यार्ड्स होते हैं and many types of the halls or rooms are available in his house. Its eaves and chimneys and tiles floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे डोर होते हैं, छत होती है, खिड़कियाँ होती हैं, कमरे होते हैं, चिमनी होती है. Means all the facilities are available in the house except the feeling, truthfulness, loyalty and cooperation. What is a home? घर कहते किसको हैं? It is a lovely and loving family and doing for other. वास्तविकता में घर उसे ही कहते हैं जिसमें एक दूसरे के प्रति समर्पण हो, सद्भावना हो, प्रेम हो, एक दूसरे के लिए परोपकार का नेचर हो, स्वभाव हो और हम एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करने के लिए हमेशा तत्पर रहें. इट्स अ ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर एंड फादर एंड मदर्स. इस घर में ब्रदर, सिस्टर्स, फादर, मदर और भी बहुत सारे रिश्ते नातेदार रहते हैं. लेकिन क्या केवल रिश्तेदारों से ही घर बनता है? इट्स अनसेल्फिश एक्ट. अगर वो निस्वार्थ होते हैं एंड काइंडली शेयर एंड शोइंग योर लव टू वंस, और एक दूसरे के साथ अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान करते हैं, प्रेम पूर्वक एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं, वंस यू आर ऑलवेज केयरिंग, और हमेशा एक दूसरे की परवाह करते हैं, एक दूसरे की सहायता करते हैं, तो वास्तविकता में असली मायने में घर वही होता है. क्योंकि एक घर में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है एक दूसरे के साथ कोऑपरेशन, एक दूसरे की भावना को रिस्पेक्ट देना, एक दूसरे की फीलिंग्स को समझना और एक दूसरे को महत्व देना. दिस इज अ पावरफुल इक्विपमेंट्स ऑफ एनी हाउस और अ होम. And without these types of a feeling, no one can achieve the finest and a popular, a very successful home in his life, because the feelings, the emotions, the truthfulness, the loyalty, and the helpful nature is the main fact of the making a powerful and a successful home entire the world.